have ripped up everything and they kind of destroyed everything, so we're not going to give her an actual bath. We're doing something else with it. We're washing her with a flannel because she is pretty much not having me she's not letting me. Angel's not letting me brush her today, guys. So, well, I'll give her a bath, so I am just gonna have to let you guys see her a flannel wash. Yeah, a flannel wash. So, what are you doing? What are you doing? Angel. There, she's stuck in the camera. Okay, time to do this. You guys won't be able to see it, but yeah. You guys won't be able to see this. But I have a little something special in the video which I want to show you. Set it up. Right, right here. Towel, dry. Angel, come here. Angel. Alright. There's a dry. Dry your towel. Hold on. I'm dripping. Dry you up. That's right there. Give you a brush. Oh, give you a brush. And a brush. And a brush. And a brush. Oh, you guys can't see this. I'm so sorry. My camera's not properly. What the princess looks like. So she's all brushed. It's amazing. Come here, Biscuit. 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 Come here, Biscuit. Girl. The bathroom soaked. Biscuit. Biscuit.
It's not too late to do aisles, but everybody's it's not working it.
Biscuit, come here. He's not coming. Biscuit. Okay, I guess I gotta end this.